Hey, good morning, everybody. SSC. Once again, it's early, everybody. I said I was going to do these every morning. So it's very early, about 10 after 5. Happy coffee, folks. Got that coffee rolling. Once again, watching the news right over here. And I'm going to bring up some science here real quick. Let's bring up Kitco. And we're also, excuse me, as you all know, I have allergies. We're also going to talk about copper once again, as I did yesterday, and I think the day before yesterday. Oh, God, fantastic. So, hey, shout out to everybody, Cabin in the Woods, Veritas Files, Lee. Going to try to shout out to everybody up early. Watching these little silver and gold and copper and platinum updates, folks. So let me get these sites rolling here. Have to excuse me. Goodness gracious. Let's see here. You probably hear my cat in the background over here. Okay. So first, cheers to you, everybody. Copper right now, and we in the tariffs haven't even started, and this could be very temporary. But copper's at $5.59 a pound, which is going to be driving the cost of the minted bars considerably higher. And there already are. You're seeing at Geiger, Germania, which I think are the two best minted bars to get. Hang on just a moment. I'm going to go put this cat outside. Well, that didn't take long. What were we talking about? Anyway, we're talking about the copper, folks, and the Germania stuff is really difficult to find right now, and the Geiger, the bigger bars, the 1 kilo, a little bit more difficult, but they're the smaller bars are still out there, the 5 ounce. And I'm looking here. Okay, so one of the big guys for Germania is JM Bullion. They are completely out of stock on 10 ounce, 5 ounce, and 1 kilo Germania copper bars, guys, which, as I've shown you, are beautiful bars. When it comes to Geiger, oops. And there's a lot of companies out there, but what I have found that it's just, they're just hard to come by right now. But back to copper prices. Like I said, $5.59 per pound. But I look at that like spot prices. Now we're at $5.60, going up. I look at that like I do spot prices on gold and silver. But with copper, you can't look at it that way with the minted stuff. I've been trying to pound that in people's brains for a long time, but people are going to think what they think. Excuse me just a minute. It's early. Sleepy Bear. Is that what he called me, Sleepy Bear? And we're going to move on. So let's go copper. Keep on cranking. Let's check out. Oh, by the way, I want to talk to you about when you guys think I should post videos, long form videos. I might slow that down just a little bit because it's taking up a bunch of time and I don't want to burn out. So back to gold and silver this morning. Still holding steady. Silver's holding steady, 36.55. I think it's going to do like it always does. It's going to climb. And right now, I think it's in the steady incline instead of the decline. Who knows what's driving it? We all kind of know. It's a supply demand issue. It's a bull issue with silver, and gold is at 33.22.63. But what do you guys think is driving our silver prices? Economics, economies all over the world. Why is silver continuing to climb? I think it's continuing to climb possibly because of supply and demand. Everybody is buying it still really, really hard, which causes the price to go up. I had a guy try to, teach me on economics and school me on economics. It was kind of not a very really cool comment, but of course I had to, come back on it a little bit. But, as the dollar devaluates, silver actually will go up in value as inflation increases. And we all know that silver's that hedge. And, it can also go up when the dollar increases in value. And he's correct there too, or she, or whoever it was, they're correct there too. But so I'm also correct. They're also correct. It really doesn't matter. The end result for everybody out here is long-term stacking on silver. Now you can play the game like I play. I play that game of what the ratios are. 90-1, go get you some gold. 103-1, go get you some silver with your gold. So I kind of play the ratio. I enjoy playing the ratio. I still am collecting, stacking, and adding to my silver stack and my gold stack. Sometimes it's a little bit slower than than others. But for all the young folks out there, and I promise you, all you guys out there, they're not up early. For all you young folks out there, if you just start now, if you're 25 years old, we've got the Ninja Turtle out there, and you know who you are, that started stacking in 25 years ago. So in his early 30s, and now he is slamming it, guys. So if you just start early doing this, man, you can really, really have something when you retire, or have something to pass off on to your youngsters, your children, your grandchildren. That's what our plans are. If you need to sell it because you're in a pinch financially, it's there. But if you have a dollar bill or a $20 bill like me, it's gone. You spend it, it's gone. The silver's where it needs to be. It's harder to sell. So that's why we keep silver, and you feel like a pirate, and it's fun. I get it out and I look at it every morning. Not all of it, but I look at some of it. So that being said, before we blow out of here, it is a Thursday morning, and happy Thursday to everybody. Good morning to all you early risers. Thank you for everybody watching this channel, subscribing, and all that. We appreciate everything that you do for us. Throat clear. 36.59 silver, 33.21.69 gold. Let's see what it does today. And one more copper check. We're at 560. Oh, I forgot. 560 on copper. Platinum, guys, 1368. That one's for you, Ninja Turtle. 1368. And palladium, 1124. For all you investors in platinum, platinum is steady and strong all the time. And so is palladium. Just like gold. I'm more of a gold and a silver guy. But hey, Silver Stacker Cracker right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. It's morning, Sleepy Bear, SSC, whatever you guys want to call me. Thursday, headed to work, folks. So everybody say a prayer for everybody in Texas. And we appreciate you and we feel for you guys. And let's hope all the families are comforted. May God bless all of you. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. Guys, here we go. We're out.